Hey there, it's Leigh from For Patriots. If you don't know, it's National Preparedness Month, but that doesn't mean that you can't have your favorite coffee recipes even during a grid down situation. So in honor of National Coffee Day, let me show you how to make some of your favorite coffee drinks using only survival gear, survival food, and some spare ice cream too. But before we get to that, be sure to hit the subscribe button on our channel and don't forget to tap that little bell right beside it. You'll get notifications every time we post a new video, and we've got some more awesome videos in store for you that you don't want to miss, like this one. First up, we're gonna grind our coffee beans with this. It's the USB rechargeable Patriot powered blender, which comes in super handy when a storm knocks out your power. Plus, it's simple to use. Just push one button and boom. And of course, you can skip this step if you have instant coffee like this. For Patriots Freedom Joe Survival Coffee. Next up, we'll boil our water using the For Patriots Sun Kettle. Just sit this guy out in the sun and 45 minutes later, you've got hot, boiling water. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and set out another sun kettle so I can have some hot milk. You'll see why in just a bit. And finally, the coffee maker itself. This one is easy with the Patriot Power Generator. Just plug it in and start brewing. Well, now that we have our hot coffee, let me show you a few delicious and easy recipes that you can make. For this first recipe, we'll be making a latte. It's super simple, and all we'll need is our coffee and survival milk. Simply fill up about 1/3 of your cup with coffee, and then the other 2/3 with hot milk. Then, to finish it off, pour some foam on top. And your latte is done. Easy, simple, and always a coffee classic. Quick tip, to make milk foam, you don't need a fancy frother. All you need is to pour some milk into a jar and shake. Next up, another coffee classic, a mocha. For this recipe, pour in our coffee, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and then 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot water. And there you go, another coffee classic. This is an instant favorite for anyone with a sweet tooth. And last but not least, and hold on to your mugs for this one, a coffee shake. Not only is this a tasty sweet treat, but it also gives you the perfect chance to get rid of any ice cream you have before it melts. Plus, besides the ice cream, it only takes 3 more ingredients, so you'll probably already have these around the house. First, we'll add milk and ice cream into the blender. Then pour in our instant coffee and a little bit of cocoa powder and hit the button. And that's it, you're done. Now, check this out. So good. This is such an easy thing to make for a quick pick-me-up or an easy dessert. Hey, for me, coffee is a survival essential. Is it for you too? Do you have a favorite recipe or drink? We'd love to hear about it. Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you next time, and bottoms up.